What I was trying to tell you was...
Noah has a different idea for the rose bush here. He was thinking putting an old olive tree.
Same round metal.
Okay.
Okay. And then I'll draw a picture of it, but I want it to be twisting going up. That'll sit here. But then to continue the theme where we have like the snail and the cat.
Oh, yeah.
I'd like to put on there a couple of bees, maybe.
Okay, I like that idea.
Yeah.
Because we have a lot of iron work around the property, like the cat.
The snail down there. So I think because I'm Noah with 2x2, we'll have like 2 bees on there.
2x2? What, from Noah's Ark?
Obviously.
Oh. Stop. It's time to do the genoise. This was all Noah's idea to do the genoise, and I love it. It definitely matches well with the other side.
On est bon?
We don't know if we should keep those shutters or not, those wood shutters. They're kind of chewed up at the ends. But Melvin is going to take the grates to the garbage. Manu is getting my wood beam ready. That's the second wood beam that's going to be in the bedroom. They're doing us a huge favor by getting rid of all of our garbage and disposing of it. Because otherwise we would have to rent the truck ourselves.
No, I'm saying maybe I should save the hardware.
Manu is saying these are junk, just to throw them out.
T'enlèves les charnières, là. T'enlèves les poignées, t'enlèves les taquiers. You like the hardware, Jen?
No.
No? Okay, everything gone. No,
t'enlèves rien. Tout ça, vous chargez tout.
Manu, qu'est-ce que tu penses? Moi, it's...
Non, c'est pourri.
Yeah. Two, it's... moche.
Pourri.
Pourri?
Pourri, yeah.
Pourri. Here's the room with the beam. I don't know. I love the wood beam in here, but now we're going to be putting 2. Is it too much? Is it going to... That's where the second beam is going to be. For this size room, I don't know if the 2 wood beams are going to be too much.
Look smaller?
I just was showing Noah the room. I think the beam makes the room look a little smaller.
I mean, look how much room we're in. This is a big ceiling.
Yeah?
This is amazing. I wouldn't change a thing, personally.
Okay, we have 1 beam in here now. I kept the lights off because it was like a glare. You know, I love the beams. This, and then we're having another one put in. I was afraid it was making the room come down a little bit.
No.
I have a hard time visualizing things.
No. I got so worried. I was at home getting ready, and she's like, "This looks horrible." I had to run over here. No, it looks really
I didn't say it
cool.
looked horrible at all. I just said I
You
was...
made the room look small. You said, no, it looks amazing.
What do you think about those doors? You want to keep those doors?
Well, if I have an idea here.
Noah's thinking maybe we could use these doors back here for like a little storage closet or something.
We'd have to build it, but it would be like this kind of situation.
Did you clean all this out? Look at this.
Oh, the guys did. Wow.
Wow, they cleaned all the rubble out.
Amazing. Look at this. So you have this door here and another one here, and then those 2 over there. What do you think?
I like it. It's not as high as this, like right now. And
You build a wall here. You build a wall.
yeah, I like it. And then we can have the shelves over there so we could, yeah, I like it.
Well, you can make it into like a walk-in closet.
But we need some shelves too. We need some shelving.
Yeah, but it'd be a walk-in closet with shelving because you could put shelves this way now.
Yeah.
This way, and then the inside would be the thing.
Right. Okay. Yeah, we can,
So you like that?
I do.
Yeah, that would be kind of cool. We whitewash those.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll keep them. All right, what are you laughing at?
I needed a second opinion on the wood beams in the bedroom. And Marvin, the roofer, who always talks in absolutes, very calm, very cool, he gave me the 2 thumbs up, 2 beams. So I was like, whew, okay. A true Frenchman approves. Now I'm trying, there's so much little junk in here.
Yeah.
So I'm just trying to clean up and get everything done.
Because once all the junk's out, I'm going to demo the heck out of it.
But things like this, I don't know if we need. Is it worth keeping these plastic bottles?
Yes, we don't want to waste that. Yes, we can use that in the future.
This is my homemade soap that literally solidified.
Jenny doesn't believe in suds, but hey.
You don't need suds to clean.
All right, keep at it.
See how my beams are coming along. Bon travail. I love it. I really love it. Manu, bon travail.
Yes, good job. Good choice, good choice.
So happy. I had some reservations at first about putting 2 wood beams. I thought it might make the room smaller, but
It looks good. It looks really good.
it transforms the whole
It
room.
really does. I told you.
Transforms the whole room.
Told you.
Slowly, everything's coming around slowly. Doucement, Melvin, doucement. These are the light switches that Bruno suggested for us because they're very traditional. You put them on the wall over here like this.
Look at that. It works perfectly.
Yeah. And as opposed to being so modern, now I think there's other ones that come in Bakelite. They're 100 euros a pop.
I don't think that's the right price.
Yeah, 100 euros. He said they're like 100 euros. But look, we have that light right there. See? Boom, boom.
Perfect.
I think it's time to demo this kitchen.
Secret, there was like a radiator here at one point.
Wait, hold on.
Don't go in. All right.
Wow.
Yeah, there's a radiator here behind the.
That must have been the old kitchen.
Yeah, it was.
Is it pink? That's where we're going to put the refrigerator, actually. We're going to move it out from here to here. Is this paint right here?
Je ne sais pas, as they say in France. Je ne sais pas.
Well, now Ryan can come in. Our cuisiniste, our kitchen guy, keeps telling us, clear everything out. Then he can stop mapping it.
Well, I was taking off this corner piece, and this corner piece, the rest of it was all crap. I mean, it's just not good quality.
Okay.
But this,
It looks like it's a shutter.
no, it's got some really nice hinges on it.
Okay.
And it's thicker. They just put it over. This was the crap, and they put it over top of this nice.
There's nothing we can do with this, unfortunately.
No, there's nothing. But I was just showing you. There actually, at one point in time, someone actually put something of quality in this home. Shocking.
Well, as it is with most things back in the day, things were built to last.
I want to see what it looks like when you crack it open. Like,
No?
this is the particle board. That's the crack.
Oh, so it's particle board and wood?
Glued it to that.
That is not good quality.
Oh, solid wood door. This is made of a solid wood door. That's how they used to build back in the day, back in the 70s or 60s.
Is that like wallpaper on there? What is that?
Well, this is the glue that they used to glue the.
But it looks like it's like a design.
Right, but this was the original. This was the original cabinet
Yeah.
with venting, and it was made of real wood. Whereas you can see the modern, the stuff they probably did this in, I don't know, 90s.
Yeah.
They used particle board. Much different building. Much different.
It is pretty high, this ceiling.
Yeah, once I get all the beams out of here, yeah, I mean, it's way up there.
We have room to work in here. Now we have to do the sink.
It's a good sized kitchen.
Good job.
Yeah.
All right, let's get back to work. We have the
Why don't you
plumber
go look
coming.
at the stove?
Oh, so Melvin is going to take that. Oh, you took everything apart. It just didn't work too well.
Well, it's not pretty either. We need to get one that's a little more beautification.
Beautification.
Beautification. What are you doing, Jenny?
Making coffee for the hardworking men.
Oh, nice.
It's our little coffee station.
Seems like it's, are you playing a gender role? What's going on here?
Yes, very traditional. All right, back to work. This is a pretty high ceiling.
Very high, it's nice. I don't know why they covered it up. Preposterous.
It looked ridiculous before, but we can do some magic with this ceiling.
And Ryan said he wants the cabinets to go all the way to the top because it'll look great.
You have to.
Yeah.
There's no other choice. You have to have cabinets to the top.
Yeah. Maybe that's why they did it, because the cabinets they bought, those cheap ones, wouldn't fit all the way to the top.
I'm just so happy that we're putting some love into this.
You know, when you don't have the microphone, you gotta talk to this whole area.
Projecting. Yeah. Projecting.
It's demo day, and Jenny's into a whiz egg.
Every day is demo day.
Coming in.
All boarded up. This is done now. The genoise is pretty much done. Noah's doing the demo in the kitchen. Yeah, we have higher ceilings in here than we thought.
All right, a lot of work done. A lot of work done today. Kitchen's getting ripped out. I gotta get the plumber in here to take apart some of this plumbing, but it's all coming out. And then next week I'll start on this floor. And this room, I gotta level out these bottoms because they're not quite level. And that. Windows, that'll be another few weeks. Jenny's room came out really nice. Look at those beautiful beams in there. That's gonna be really sweet. This room's gonna look really, really nice. I finished up the floors today here. So this hallway is completely done. That's really good. That bedroom I already took care of. Outside. Let's see what we did outside. Had a big pile of debris. That's all gone. Well, I've made a new pile from the kitchen. A beautiful sunset going on there, out there. Look at that, right over the church. Look at that beauty. Huh? That's spectacular. Almost like God himself is just looking down upon us right now. It's gorgeous. We've taken off all of the debris on these columns so we can put those in nice stone. And he's done the genoise. Here, come take a look at these genoise back here. It really came out nice. Look at this. Look at those beauties. That looks really, really nice. That's super. And we got the roof done. I mean, 2 more days, he said, of just little tiny touch-up work. And it'll all be done.
Happy Halloween.
All right, another great week of work. And our guys won't be back next week, but we will.
No one can understand anything you're saying.
Okay, well, we just wanted to say thanks for watching. Happy Halloween and
Abiento.
abiento.